to win the mile. We pick up the men's mile in progress, and we are about a half mile through, a little more. And we've got one excellent competitor here, a guy who I guess would be the odds-on favorite, Andy.
Mike, that's all. Mike Starr from Georgetown about an hour ago won the 800 meters in an NCAA qualifying time and a new Big East record of 150.18, an excellent time. He's leading right now, running very comfortably, being followed by Mike Scanlon of Providence, but they came through the half at a very pedestrian 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Again, to reiterate, this is the first time this is being run in the Big East Indoor Track and Field Championships, and it is not run at as an NCAA indoor event, so it's tough to really get a time gauge on all of the runners. We don't have a Big East or an NCAA record to hold it up against, but we know generally how the mile run goes.
Well, you know, generally anything under 4 minutes for a mile is considered a good time for runners of this caliber, and Starr has been under 4 minutes. So they're beginning to pick up the pace a little bit now. Georgetown running 1-2 with Starr and Ethan Fry running second, followed by Mike Scanlon of Providence and John Hogan of Boston College.
1, 2, 3, and 4 as they come by. They will have right here about a lap plus to go, lap in about 50 meters as they make this turn here, and now a little bit of a push on the outside.
So you can see Mike Starr just kind of playing with the field. He's just running fast enough to win. Every time somebody mounts a challenge, he holds them off, and perhaps a little bit tired from his 800 meters, but not showing it right now.
1 lap, less than a lap now, about a half a lap, and it's Mike Starr of Georgetown in the lead, looking comfortable, and Michael Scanlon of Providence with a push now as we're down to the last 100 meters here of the mile, and
Mike Scanlon giving a very game try, but Starr checking back over his shoulder from time to time and just pulling away. Very excellent race, and Georgetown coming in for a surprise second place also.
Impressive, and the second will be important probably somewhere down the road. I believe it was Ethan Fry who hustled up there to pick up a second, but as you mentioned, Michael Starr almost toying with the field as a challenge put on here by Scanlon, but Starr just kicks it in.
This really is the first time in the race that Mike is running. See, excellent knee lift, excellent stride length, just pulling away, but here comes Fry to nip Scanlon for second place, very key in the team point standings.
So a very important 1-2 for Georgetown. The Hoyas walk away from this one with 18 points on the shoulders of that man. Michael Starr, second time he wins here this afternoon at the Big East Track and Field Championships. The winner in the mile. Georgetown up for second, and Mike Scanlon, a game run from Providence, but he comes up third. The winner, Mike Starr of the men's 1 mile run.